In this video, we'll talk about the new and improved Studio Content Manager interface. Based on your feedback, we've made it easier for you to manage your content and rights across multiple channels. Let's walk through some of the features and functionalities. First, let's start with the dashboard. Here you'll see the card for issues with metrics for each content ID issue type. You can click into these to filter by that issue type. Once you're on the Issues tab, you can also use the issue type filter to view one or more selected types at once. On the dashboard, you can also see an overview of channels linked to your content manager. Here you can view the number of channels with copyright strikes, channels with pending invitations, and channels with monetization suspended. Next, let's look at the Videos tab. Here you can filter by a specific channel to view only videos in that channel. You can also click on a specific video to make edits, to view video details, analytics, and more. Click the back arrow to head back to the video list. Next, let's go through the Channels tab. Here you can view and manage any channels associated with your content manager. If you have access to invite, create, and unlink channels, those options will be found here. In the Analytics tab, you can view analytics for your videos, channels, or assets. Check out the video link in the description for a deep dive on your YouTube analytics in Studio Content Manager. Next up, the Issues tab. This tab is mainly used by partners with access to Content ID. The tab shows items that require your attention and may be impacting your assets, references, or claims. To-dos are all grouped together for easier prioritization, but you can narrow down your search with the filters. Click the Select Filter option or the filter icon to the left to view all filter search options, or just start typing to search for a specific filter. Sort from least to greatest and vice versa by clicking on any column header to prioritize by expiry, views, affected claimed videos, and more. You can also hover over the rows to view more details about an issue or over the column headers for more information about a specific field. The Status filter shows issues by status: action required, waiting on, and resolved. By default, you'll see an action required status selected to help you focus on items that need your attention. Now, let's dive into some of the issue types you can sort by. First, we'll look at the reference overlaps and invalid references. If you deliver content ID references, your reference may overlap with another partner's, resulting in a reference overlap. Or your reference may be flagged by YouTube as potentially ineligible for Content ID, resulting in an invalid reference. These issue types need to be resolved within 30 days to ensure your references are active and making good claims. Quick tip: when viewing an issue's details page, you can move to the next or previous issue with the arrows in the top left-hand corner, or close out of an issue with the X in the top right-hand corner. You can use the Resolved Status filter to review and action expired reference overlaps and invalid references. Next, let's dive into the ownership, conflicts, and transfer requests. When you deliver conflicting asset ownership in the same territory with another partner, you'll need to resolve ownership conflicts and possibly transfer requests. Ownership conflicts don't expire, but transfer requests must be resolved in 30 days or your ownership will be removed. You can view the conflicting territories in an easy-to-analyze table format. Territories are sorted by the most affected daily views. Expand to see all territories or filter by specific selected territories. There are also potential, disputed, and appealed claims. Potential claims show content ID matches to videos where we need your review to confirm if an active claim should be made. Disputed and appealed claims occur when an uploader disagrees with a content ID claim, and these issues also need to be reviewed within 30 days or the claim will be released. Claims for the same video are grouped together and can be actioned at once to reduce the amount of work in this queue. The manual claiming feature is an advanced tool for partners with a demonstrated need. If you use this feature, you're required to manually enter the timestamps for where your content appears in the video to help uploaders understand the claims on their videos and reduce the number of disputes in your issues queue. And that's it! Have questions about a feature? Click the question mark icon on each page to display relevant Help Center articles. We're also eager to get your feedback. You can send input by clicking Send Feedback in the bottom left menu or on the top right of certain pages. Keep in mind the Studio Content Manager is evolving each day, so check back to test our new features. Many features you've used in Classic will be coming soon, including assets, claimed videos, reports, settings, as well as export and other useful functionalities. Until then, you can return to Content Manager Classic by clicking Other Features or Content Manager Classic in the left menu. Thanks for watching.